Hey everyone, I thought I would do something a little out of character here, and with this, I've officially sunk to the depths of just every standard YouTuber out there because I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. But I think it's pretty cool because I'll be unboxing a new globe that I got. I got it from the website is literally globestore.com, and there's a ton of globes to choose from. I picked one out. I mean, you just pick from pictures on a website. It's tough to see what you're going to get. So I got this one here. And I want to just see how it looks with a typical YouTube unboxing video here. But yeah, globestore.com. There's probably, I don't know, probably a good 100 different globes to choose from. It can almost be overwhelming, just the sheer number of the ones they have. This one here, this is the only globe that I have up until now. This one's really cool. It's beautiful, but it's more artsy. It's not really so much research-ish. It's just something really cool to have. I mean, I love it, but it's definitely more of an artsy type piece. This one's more of a normal globe. I guess that's the stand. The company that made this is called Waypoint Geographic, and they're one of just several, or really just one of a few globe makers. So not a huge demand for globes. All right, so this is really exciting. I never get a globe, so, and it's literally just the ball. Wow, it's really cool looking. So I'm not sure how I expected a globe to be shipped, but yeah, this is it. So here it is. Really nice sheen on it. Wow, it feels really good, looks really good. I wanted something a little bit different than your typical blue ocean globe. This one's got a lot of oceanography, ocean geology noticeable. But what I wanted here was one that definitely showed the countries very obvious with the different colors of the countries, as opposed to one that was more physical oriented. I know that National Geographic makes one that's more of their physical oriented maps. Really cool. I'd like to maybe have one of those eventually as well. But this is really nice. Waypoint Geographic feels really well made. This part's a little bit light. It's not the real metal it might look like. That's a little bit cheap, but yeah, really cool. This globe was $85, so it's pretty expensive. But they got some that go way higher than that. So yeah, really happy with this. If you guys are interested in globes, I mean globestore.com. I have no affiliation with them. I don't get paid by them at all. But yeah, really cool. I like this a lot. So you'll probably see this in the back on my setup in future videos. But yeah, I thought it'd be kind of cool to do a typical YouTube unboxing type video, but for something pretty cool. When was the last time you saw somebody unbox a globe? All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you guys later.